So we're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your
So this is the September Ipsy Glam bag, and I am so excited to get to feel and touch all the new products in this month's bag. So it's a beautiful pink bag with white stars and a cute little crystal right there. I like this bag. So let's watch me struggle to open the bag, and the first thing that I see right now is the Smashbox Studio Finish 24-hour Wear Hydrating Foundation and the shade 4.05. That was actually a really good match, even though I'm really confused how they got it so good. Okay, and this is the Ofra highlighter. I didn't really like it that much. It was a little too light for me, but I will give it a second chance. This right here now is the Beauty Crop eyeshadow in the colors in the shade Seren. It's beautiful purple shimmery eyeshadow. I just wish they didn't give me another eyeshadow so fast in the same color, because it's basically the same thing from last month but different brand, and this one does apply better. Anyway, I'm looking back again at the highlighter. I believe that's a collab with Madison Miller, and it's in the shade Sea Shimmer, and that's the little card to give you all the info on your Ipsy bag. Okay, let's see what else we have. Okay, we have the Benefit brow gel, the Gimme brow gel, but it's really good. I did like it. I will show you what everything looks like at the end of the video. Okay, this is the coconut water cream, and it's a moisturizer by First Aid Beauty. It is hydrating, but you have to use a lot to really get that feel. So now this is just an overview of what's in this month's bag. I really like this month's bag.
I am wearing the lipstick from last month's box, just in case, and I am wearing the mascara from the last box. You see, it's pretty, very pretty. This foundation is really pretty. I actually will go out and actually buy this because I just like it. I try to make my face look a little better, but I'm not that great at makeup, so see my eyebrows crazy. I put on a little blush to try to deal with this highlighter. I think I put on just too much. I have to maybe use it a little lighter and it will look maybe a little better on me, but as I said, I don't really like these shades of highlighters because they always end up looking really crazy on me. So hopefully I can just use it as an eyeshadow. I probably will. Probably try again to use this highlighter, but not as much. Well, now that I know not to use as much. But the eyeshadow, by the way, I'm not talking about it. This is pretty. It's a pretty shimmer eyeshadow, but it looks exactly like the one from last month, but this one definitely applies better than the last month one. So yeah, anyway.